Let's look at a specific polynomial graph or cubic graph with the following equation. X cubed minus 6x squared. Now, as you can see, there's an x cubed, therefore it will be a cubic graph. If the cubic graph has a positive gradient, meaning the a in front of the x is positive, and like in this case, it will have a shape like this. If it has a negative gradient, a being negative, the shape will be the second one. Right, looking at this specific one of the most common questions is to find the stationary points. In other words, the turning points on the specific cubic graph. And here comes the method. Please make note and please go and study, because this is a very common type of question. So getting the stationary points or turning points, we derive and equal to 0. And that is your first derivative, hey? So f prime x is equal to 0, and that is your stationary or your turning points. The second formula that we need to know is where or how to get our point of inflection. And that is where we do the second derivative and we equal it to 0. But in this case, we will only get 1 point because there's 1 point of inflection for every cubic graph, but there's 2 turning stationary points, so you'll get 2 answers for the stationary or the turning points in each cubic graph.